Hello, my darlings. Welcome to Ru's Kitchen and Garden. What you're seeing in this picture is called Amritsari Badi. This is a spicy preparation which is dried in the sun for 3 to 4 days, stored for a year. Let's see how to make it and where we use it. I have soaked here udad dal for 4.5 hours in warm water, and if you try and break it with your nail, it should break into two pieces. That's how you must soak it, and that's how it must be soaked. Alright, now here I have 4 tablespoon coriander seeds. I have 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I have taken some kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaf. This is approximately 2 tablespoons. I've taken 4 big cardamom, black cardamom, and 6 small green cardamom. We are going to deshell and remove the seeds from it. Here I've taken cloves. This is approximately half tablespoon. And then I've taken dry red chili. This is a spicy variety. How you make out it's a spicy or a colored variety is it has to be flat without wrinkles. The wrinkled variety of chili gives color, and the flat variety of dry chili gives spice. So I've taken 2-inch cinnamon stick here, and then I've taken loads of black pepper. Now black pepper acts as this is 3 tablespoon black pepper. Black pepper acts like a preservative. So in the olden days they used to use it as a preservative. That's why there's a huge amount of black pepper in this, because we keep these buddies for a year. I've taken asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of asafoetida. You're going to dissolve that in water. And your salt to taste, or I've taken 1 tablespoon. You can also approximately take around that much. I've removed the husk, right? Yeah, I've removed the shells of the cardamom. This is black ground pepper. I've ground the black pepper, coarse grounded, not fine. The black pepper has to come under your teeth when you're biting into the buddies. I've taken my favorite cast iron pan and I'm going to roast all the spices, dry roast all the spices here. I'm not going to add hing and salt while roasting, and I'm going to add kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves, at the end, almost after I switch off the pan, because it might get burned. I added these chilies, but then I realized they're not getting roasted properly, so I removed them later because I wanted to roast them separately till they become crisp, so I can, snap them with my finger and make again coarse powder out of it. All these masalas are roasted nicely and they are coarse. So these buddies are added into any curry or any dry vegetable preparation, and they really enhance the flavor of the vegetable. Ask any North Indian and he would tell you that he's a die-hard fan of these buddies. Amritsari buddies are spicier than any other buddies. You can store them in an airtight container for almost a year and add it to your preparation. How to add it, how to use it, I'll make a video later. Now I've strained this urad dal, removed all the water. I've cut these chilies into 2 to 3 pieces. I've coarse ground this masala, and I'm going to add, I've coarse ground the black pepper separately, yeah, and I have added, I mixed them together here. So this is all our masala. This is the chili powder or chili flakes. You can even take chili flakes, the spicy ones. And this is the black pepper powder. I'm going to nicely mix it. By the way, I forgot to add carom seeds, ajwain. So you need to take around 3 tablespoons. I'm not sure, but I think around 3 tablespoons of ajwain, and you need to add it, which I've done later, you can see. So this is my ready masala. Now I am grinding the urad dal here. The urad dal consistency is not very fine and not very coarse, so like semolina. And just when you decide to make some dry preparation and depend on the sun, clouds are here. So it got cloudy and it started to rain, so I had to stop my preparation. So if something like this happens with you, or if you have to go somewhere, grind your urad dal, cling wrap it and leave it in the refrigerator, and next day in the morning when the urad dal reaches the room temperature, you can start mixing the hing and salt and the masala. Here I am dry roasting the ajwain or the carom seeds. Carom seeds are very essential also because they prevent gas, flatulence. So when you have these dals and pulses, they tend to give gas. So addition of ajwain can prevent that. Here I've dissolved the asafoetida in water and I'm going to add it in my urad dal mixture. And I'm also going to add the dry masala that we prepared to this urad dal mixture, and we are going to beat it, or beat it with your hand or a beater or your KitchenAid or your egg beater or your cake beater, but just beat it. How you would beat the dal for when you make dahi vadas? Similarly, you'll see now it's quite hard to mix. It's quite hard or tough, but once you start beating it, it becomes lighter or fluffier, and you can see the difference later. Here I'm using my machine and I'm beating it. After you beat it, then you add salt to it. Salt is very last minute addition because it starts leaving water, it starts making the dough loose. Now we'll go out. I put a mat here, plastic sheet or cloth or whatever you want to put, and then I am going to roll the mixture. Take a small amount in my hand, make like a kind of a ball, dip my thumb in water a little bit, and then make a hole. This hole is very important because it makes the vadi hollow, and it being hollow is also very important because it dries faster. So thankfully I had good 3 days of sun. I think approximately that much time is required, 2 to 3 days of very strong sun for these buddies to dry. So here my buddies are dry. This is day 2, but still not dry enough. If I break it, it's still like is soft, a bit soft. Now this is day 3. Now you can see that the vadis are really dry, and look how masaledar, spicy they look. This is the sound. This tells you that the vadis are ready to be stored. So once they become room temperature, not hot, it's very hard to break it by your hand, by the way. You have to break it, you have to in a mortar and pestle and then fry it. So I hope you liked this recipe today. You can store these for a year and add it in your veggie preparation. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your favorite channel. Keep showering your love. Thanks. Bye.